Oh,
he's flipping. Everyone chill out. Okay.
Oh, Hunter?
The Grom will get up and go.
Yeah, that Grom moves. No, booty hole, Hunter. What? I want to be in it.
I'm getting taunted by another Honda. It's making me feel
the Honda boys are especially bad. Yeah. Oh shit.
They're almost as bad as the BMW guys.
I can't stand BMW guys.
The Beamers are almost half as bad as they think they're better tan everybody else.
Mesh intercom on. Open mesh channel 1.
Go in the hole. Huh?
Huh?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry.
We gotta give it the business here.
Oh.
It's like my brakes stopped working.
You call that giving it the business?
Yeah.
You gave it something. Effort, maybe. Caleb.
Yeah, that's great.
All my forks so fluid, just on my finger right now.
Yeah, I like to only lube my brakes once a month. I don't know how often you've been doing it.
Mine's actually, it's a real new system. It's a continual oil leak.
Oh, like a self-lubricating system?
Yeah, it's a self-lubricating system for my brakes.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, it keeps them from overheating.
Yeah, you got to keep the rotors good and slippery. You know, Joe, we do have a Grom.
Yeah, for real, this man is giving it everything he has.
Well, I'm glad to know we didn't learn anything from the other night, because we're back on that fast.
And back to doing felonious speeds in the same area. We're going the opposite way.
Ah, yes. There's no cops going this way. They all go that way.
No, cops can only go one way. They're only legally allowed to go one way. Unless they're the gay cops. We don't have to worry about the gay cops. Yeah, the gay cops only like BMW owners.
Yeah. Yeah, you're boned, Joe. Do you got gas this time?
You know, maybe.
Maybe.
Joby Joe. Oh my God.
What?
It's the best route in human history. Oh boy, next to you, Will. He just almost ran into the back of that guy in the ZX6. He's just looking backwards.
Oh, yeah?
God damn it.
Man,
This man almost fell over and hit me.
that's because all the weight transfer. Poor Jose is way back there.
Zero. Oh, he is full tuck. Get in that girl hell right now. Somewhere. We're going places, you know? Dude, Hunter, can you stop burping in my literal ear, please? No. It sounds... It's specifically for you. It sounds so wet, man. That's my issue with it. Well, you know, something's got to be wet in your life, Joe.
Because we're going to line up and race.
Oh, let's do it the next light.
If we can.
That is a real nice jigsaw, though.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
imagine I just ate that median right there.
Dude, I almost did that on the Halloween ride. That would have been bad.
The 300 boy locked up that rear brake. So did Capo over there. Capo over there.
Where?
Capo over there. To the right.
Oh, yeah, lights on.
Yeah.
Oh, lights on. That means he's busy. Yep.
He's doing his business.
I don't think you're... Oh, no, you are. I got scared for a second. I thought you were... Oh, doesn't have a sentence, so he's like, cop over there, cop over there.
The Grom's for sure getting away.
Maybe we don't race here. Oh, he's getting in his car. We should not take off from this light.
Oh, he's literally getting to turn around.
Wait. Is he going straight? If he goes straight, we might be alright.
I think he's flipping.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's flipping. Everyone chill out. Okay.
Hunter does a f***ing wheelie.
Everyone chill out while he's on the back tire.
Me now.
So everybody just hang tight and maybe he'll pass us.
This is dead, I think.
Everybody get in the right lanes.
Yeah, everybody move over so he can pass us.
He's coming. He's coming. Oh God.
Hey!
Oh fuck.
Everybody come
Hey,
this way.
Hunter's car is dead.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Hunter.
He's going Hunter?
I said, oh, Hunter.
Oh, did he see Hunter do the wheelie?
Probably, I mean.
Oh,
Hold on, I'll be back.
Are you going to see Hunter?
Yeah, I'm gonna go make sure he's not getting arrested, and if he is, I gotta go figure out how to get his bike home.
Yeah.
Okay, don't turn your son off. Oh, Sierra's still with you.
Oh, he's getting arrested.
He's not, is he?
Sure is.
No. Sick cops?
Yeah, he's in cuffs.
He's not. Can I come over there? He's not in cuffs.
Hey, man, you want me to take that bike home for him?
Actually, I want you to have a seat too.
Okay.
Got your license on you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do I need my license?
Go.
In the back of the car?
No.
Because he wanted to do something really stupid.
What was really stupid?
Pulling a wheelie, reckless driving. It's also an $1,100 ticket. Hey, everybody come on up here. We're going to have a little chat. Come on up here.
Is Deco back there?
You have a seat right there.
We were just all going the speed limit. I don't know.
Stop. We're going to cut the lies.
Well, we all got cameras. So.
I know. Who's on the CX-6 or the CX-10?
I don't.
Which one's bike is the CX-6? Yours. Okay. You can't go the wrong way. I just watched you. Okay? You can't do that. Come here, bud. You're not in trouble. Come here. He's the only one in trouble so far. Look, I get it, guys. I used to ride motorcycles all day long. I get it. It's cool. One, we can't be pulling wheelies like he did. Okay, it's considered reckless driving, right? Am I right or wrong? Okay. You can't be flying up the road like he did on the ZX6. And we all know he did. I'm not here to bust his balls about it. Okay? But we have to use some integrity when we ride, correct? Right? We all know that these people in the cars are not paying attention to us. I get it. You guys are in a group, which is great. It's great for everybody, okay? But we can't be acting like idiots. right? We already get a bad rap from everybody, don't we? When we ride, they see the bikes and they're like, oh, these guys are jerks, right? Because we're whipping in and out of things. But when we're doing things like him, pulling wheelies and stuff, that gives us a bad rep, doesn't it? Right? And I get it, everybody's out just cruising and having a great time, right? It's a beautiful day. I wish I was out on my bike. I'm sure he wishes he was out on his, right? But we can't be doing dumb things, okay? I know you was hauling ass on the ZX6 going from this is straightaway. I get it. I heard you. You're flying. I'm not going to write you a ticket. I'm not doing anything about it. But just be respectful, right? We already get a bad rap, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Right? And I get it. There's a number in safety. There's a safety in numbers. Everybody sees a bunch of bikes riding. Hey, I get it. The one was slowed down in the middle lane, you know, holding up traffic for everybody. But guys, be smart. All I have to do is be smart. Okay? Alright? Now I gotta deal with him, deciding if I'm gonna bring him to jail, write him a ticket, or get him loose. Right? When I shouldn't have to. I should see you guys and just wave to you.
Can we put it up to a vote?
Huh?
Can we put it up to a vote?
Can we put it? No, we can't put it up.
Come on, man.
Come on, we'll give you our.
By what?
No, he has a kid at home. He has a kid at home. Come on.
The ticket.
Listen.
We'll give you our word that we won't do anything crazy.
You know how many times I've had it said, my word this, my word that?
You all came back though. That's gotta stand for
You all
something.
came back because you knew he was in handcuffs.
I didn't say shit like that.
No, I came back just to see what was going on.
Yeah, we didn't know.
And then I saw he was in handcuffs. I was like, well, I want to try to get the bike home, you know, without the.
I get it, but look, guys, you can't be doing this stuff, right? Because, I mean, how many motorcycles have you guys gone to and just crashed because somebody wasn't paying attention?
Man, I've lost 3 friends now.
Exactly. But doing dumb stuff like flying up the road and wheelies doesn't help, right?
We get that.
I appreciate you guys all coming back and doing that stuff. But look, you guys, go ride, go have a few days, have a good day. Don't worry about him. If he gets cut loose, he'll catch up to you guys and call you, right?
I can go and pick up my trailer.
I don't know if he's going to jail yet.
Well, if he is going to jail, we'd like to be able to take the bike.
If he's going to jail, if he ends up going to jail, I'll have him call one of you guys. You guys got Bluetooth, you guys got that. We'll call one of you guys. I'm not going to tow the bike.
Okay.
I don't want to add expenses to people. You know what I mean?
Appreciate that.
It's not my job. It's not to ruin everything. I'm here to educate you. That's why I stopped all you guys instead of yelling at you guys. I'm talking, right? Okay. How many other cops would have done that?
A handful.
Your license, everybody would have got tickets.
Yes, sir.
Right? All right. Go cruise. Give us a little bit, or go hang out over there, and we'll let you guys know what's going on. Okay? No problem. All right, guys.
Look, Hunter, call me if they take you.
My trailer is on the road, so I'm bringing the truck. You're good.
Love you, Hunter.
Oh, you need to take me.
Well, don't take a picture. Come on, don't take a picture. That's savage. Like, Hunter, there's a cop there. There's a cop there, Hunter. Hunter, there's a cop there. Hunter, cop.
His comm is dead. I tried to call it out.
Fudge.
I was literally slamming the top of my head, dude. Like.
All right. Well,
Like it. Are you going or are you saying?
let's
Yeah, I'll go get the trailer just because they're gonna take him. Like they're gonna take him.
listen. They might not take him. He's got my number. He'll call me. If he calls me, we'll flip around. Let's just keep going because they may let him go. They may just give him a $1,200 ticket. I got a $1,200 wheelie ticket before. It does happen.
I feel so bad though. That's like my brother right there.
Yeah, man.
He's pedaling.
Second phone call? Who is it? Let's find out.
Hunter.
They let him go? kind of here.
Huh?
I said they're all revving the fuck out of here and you can't hear anything.
He's on the way right now. He'll meet us there in a minute.
Joe, will you chill the fuck out?
Well, there's another yellow light here, so oops.
Oh my god. How many times are you gonna go through the fucking intersection?
Yes.
It's just the BMW guys, man.
Yes.
Sorry about our boy. He's sitting up there waiting on us now.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Plot twist, the cop followed him.
Right.